Hi everyone, welcome to my channel CAPSA. Today's topic is about kill vaccine and live vaccine. So inactivated or killed vaccine, in this kind of vaccine, pathogens which are mainly used inactivated by heat or chemicals to denature the immunogenic epitopes of this kind of pathogens. Inactivated means they are not able or no longer able to replicate in the host cells, and thus they do not provide that much strong immunity or protection as live vaccine. So obviously need several doses over time, which are booster shots to get the ongoing immunity against that kind of disease. Examples are it produces humoral responses, and the examples are hepatitis A, typhoid vaccine, which is mainly given intramuscular route, rabies vaccine, influenza vaccine, and polio. Polio vaccine is Salk vaccine. And this kind of Salk vaccine actually developed by Dr. Jonas Salk in 1955, also called as IPV or inactivated polio vaccine, which is given in IM route and intradermal route, ID route. Okay, now coming to the next kind of vaccine, that is live vaccines. So live vaccines means here microorganisms which are used are live but non-pathogenic in nature, and they obviously retain the capacity to replicate within the host, means which lose the capacity to cause disease but still can grow in the host cells. This kind of vaccines induces both cellular and humoral responses, and they can provide lifelong immunity, but obviously for this, because they are live vaccines, obviously dangerous for immunocompromised patients and for pregnant women, because it may revert to its virulent form. So what kind of live vaccines are used? There are mainly two types. First is attenuated. Attenuated means weak, and another one is non-attenuated. Okay, so non-attenuated vaccines are mainly used adenovirus vaccines. Okay, so type 4 and type 7 type of adenovirus vaccines are used by mainly US military personnels. They are kind of non-attenuated live vaccines, and all of these are attenuated live vaccines. So typhoid here is given oral route. This kind of oral typhoid vaccine given, this kind of typhoid live vaccines, attenuated vaccine given in oral route. And others are polio vaccine, that is Sabin vaccine. Sabin vaccine, actually this kind of vaccine also known as oral polio vaccine or OPV, which is developed by microbiologist Albert Sabin. That's why the name is like Sabin vaccine. Others are varicella zoster, means chickenpox, smallpox, BCG vaccine, yellow fever vaccine, influenza vaccine, which is given mainly intranasal route. MMR, mumps, measles, rubella vaccine, rotavirus vaccine, etc. So these are the main two type of vaccine, which is live attenuated or live non-attenuated vaccine and killed or inactivated vaccine. These two vaccines are very much important. You need to revise all the things. You need to remember all the examples of this kind of vaccines in case of your exam point of view. So this is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for your attention.